While so many people focus their morning routines to set their foundation for the day, radiant skin and restoration actually starts at night. With the proper tools and practices, you can create the ideal nighttime routine so you wake up looking and feeling your best. Model, dancer, and entrepreneur Quori-Tyler Bullock is here now to help you enhance your bedtime beauty routine for the brighter days ahead.
Thank you so much for having me. Well, as someone with a very busy schedule, I understand how difficult it can be to kind of do your self-care, your skincare, and to prioritize yourself. So I have really learned how valuable a relaxing and efficient nighttime routine is. Skincare is so important before bed because that's when the products are actually working double duty. When we're sleeping, our skin enters night mode when it replenishes and restores itself with cell regeneration. So by using the right products overnight, I set the foundation for healthier skin the following day. My first step is to begin your routine with a hydrating moisturizer. I love Olay's Retinol 24 plus Peptide Night Moisturizer because it helps activate my skin's night mode. The purple jar works wonders while I'm catching up on my sleep, so I wake up to smoother and brighter skin in the morning. Sometimes I have to wake up at 3 a.m. to get camera ready for TV segments like this, so it's nice to have a product that I can rely on and know that I'll wake up feeling and looking my absolute best. Then it's time to get cozy. A nice fuzzy robe and slippers kind of just tell your mind that it's time to get into relaxation mode. I also love a diffuser to set a calm ambiance because different essential oils like lavender and chamomile help promote sleep and relaxation. And I also love to have silk pillowcases for both function and aesthetic. They're great for your hair and your skin overnight. And for my final tip, I usually need a little mental stimulation to help me wind down and get sleepy. So I love turning on a chill playlist and reading for a bit. My Kindle has been a savior because I download books and adjust the lighting for nighttime reads.
Where can we go for more information?
You can visit Olay.com or your local retailer for more information on Olay's Retinol 24 plus Peptide Night Moisturizer.
Where can we go for more information?
Thank you for having me.